Hi guys, I'm going to explain you my first experiment in Case Tools Lab. It is on use case diagram. So basically a use case diagram describes how a system interacts with the outside actors. This is a graphical representation of the interaction among the elements and system. Let's see its notations. So you can see here these are the basic notations used in the diagram. Among these I have used the top 4 or 5 notations in my diagram. So starting from the first, system boundary described with a rectangular notation. So its scope of the system can be represented by a system boundary. The use cases of the system are placed inside the system boundary while the actors who interact with the systems are put outside the system. Then next I have the use case and actor. A use case represents a user goal that can be achieved by accessing the system or software application, and the actors are the entities that interact with a system. So these two are the building blocks for any use case diagram. Then I have got association. Actor and use case can be associated to indicate that the actor participates in that use case. So generalization relationship is used to represent inheritance relationship between any model elements of the same type. Then we have got the include and extends. So include relationship is nothing but it just specifies how the behavior for inclusion use case is inserted into the behavior defined for the base use case. And extend specifies how the behavior of extension use case can be inserted into the behavior defined for the base use case. And if you want to mention any condition, you can have your condition above this dotted line. The dashed line shows whether the condition exists between the actors and activity. And for package, this is the notation for the collection of classes, and for interface you have this to connect the package and use cases, and for node you have this notation, and it is generally used to write comment in use case diagram, and this is for anchor used to connect a node the use case in use case diagram. So now let's move on to my use case diagram. So this is my first experiment on the banking management system. So here I have three actors, namely customer, bank staffs and customer supports, and these are all my use cases. Like open accounts, like these are the functions of these actors, like open accounts. We can have savings account, current accounts. Can also have customer service helps, ATM services, and can do online applications help, can either register, login. You can also go for internet banking. So these are the functions, and I have used extends and here include section. As explained previously, extends specifies how the behavior of the extension use case can be inserted into the behavior, and inclusion how the behavior for the inclusion use case is inserted into the behavior. And I haven't used any generalization, and it is enclosed within a system boundary described by this rectangular block. If we want to add one more use case, you can just click it over here and then clicking it over here, and you can give it any name like use case. You can also add any actor. This is my actor number 4. You can also give a relationship or association. Like here I am giving an association from this actor 40 use case. So this was my first experiment. Thank you for watching my video.